This is immigration attorney Parviz Malakouti, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble your own immigration application using your manila envelope, passport photo sleeve, ACO clips, and your 2-hole puncher. Now, I will say first and foremost, if you are filing an application on your behalf, hopefully it's just an I-130, an N-400, or a DACA renewal. If it's something more complicated, you may want to look into getting an immigration attorney or at least consulting with an immigration attorney to make sure that you're not in over your head. So let's get to it. First, once you have your immigration applications completed, you stack them in order, 2-hole punch them at the top. Next, you take the ACO clips, both the prong and the fastener. You put it in, fold over each prong. I'll actually fold over one prong first. Slide over the fasteners. Fold over the other prong. Next, if you have an immigration application that requires a passport photo, okay, you're gonna wanna take the photo, and on the back of the photo, you write your A number, okay, using a ballpoint pen, not a felt point pen, because otherwise the ink might sink through to the other side and ruin the picture. Now, my own tip is that when you write your A number, you're gonna wanna write it at the bottom of the photo. The reason is that in case you get a little bit of leak through, it's going to go to the bottom, not to the top that has your face and head area, therefore ruining the photo, okay? So we get that passport photo. I'm not gonna write the A number, but assume an A number is written on the back of that, and we're gonna put it into the sleeve. Next step, you take the passport photo sleeve with the passport photo inside of it, and you attach it to the side of the principal application, okay? Now, at the top of the application, you're gonna wanna either staple it right here just to this one page, so not the pages below it, just to the one page, or take a paper clip and secure that, fasten that securely to the edge of the page. So either staple, making sure not to get the actual photo with the staple, or paper clip. Alrighty, next step. So most applications need a filing fee. Uncle Sam, of course, wants his money. It can be paid via check or credit card. If you're paying by check, you're gonna wanna put your A number or the A number of the applicant into the memo line. And if you have enough space, write the name of the application as well. Now, some attorneys staple it to the side of the principal application, the first page of the principal application. I actually prefer the paper clip because I don't want to risk it ripping. Okay, so we have the check paper clip to the side. We have the passport photo sleeve with the passport photos inside, clip to the other side of the page. And now we're gonna slide it in and come down the home stretch. All right, so we're coming down to the last step. Once we slide that in, we close it up. Scotch tape, don't be cheap, tape up the entirety of the flap, okay? Tape the whole thing, okay? Now, what do we do for mailing it? So obviously this is from me, so I have my own mailing, my mailing label on the top. Now, for where to mail it to, you wanna pay very close attention to the USCIS website. There's a header for each application that says where to file. You need to follow those directions very carefully and address the envelope to that address, okay? I tend to send the applications USPS, registered mail, with a tracking number. You don't have to. Most applications can be sent also via FedEx or UPS, okay? So I send it USPS. Last step, close it up, take it to the post office or the FedEx center, okay? One last thing is, before I go, I actually scan, in addition to scanning the entire application and everything I'm sending, before I leave either my office or my home, if I'm working from home, I scan the actual face of the application as well, okay? And that's it. You send off the application and hope for the best. Good luck. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.